Welcome guys to another CPA marketing video. In this video I will show you guys how to make $50 per day with CPA group as a beginner. You don't need any skill, any website, but you're needing a little website slash landing page for this method. Okay, but I'll show you guys everything is absolutely free. You're not spending any money. Okay, so if you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I have a new video on this channel, because this channel I post video on making money online. Okay, without wasting much of the time, let's go into the video. As you can see, this was the content locker. I created a high quality content locker. And if you don't know how to create high quality tech content locker, while you are done watching this video, check my channel. You see a video on how to create high quality content locker. Okay, so I created this. Okay, it's very simple. After creating it, I grabbed my link because I created it here and you can see it here, Clash Royale. I added my link. Okay, I've grabbed my link. So I went over to blogger.com and I created a free website. You can see it has the domain of gamelive247.blogspot.com to show that the website is free, because it still have .blogspot.com. Okay, so you just have to give it a nice name. Okay, and his name must you copy the same niche I'm doing, like Clash Royale is a gaming niche. You can do a weight loss niche, a giveaway niche, anyone, but in this video is a gaming niche I'm coming to. Okay, so I created a website, then created one post on, you can see it, Clash Royale gems and gold generator. Okay, just read through it. Then I scroll down and just I wrote something telling them that they can generate free gems and gold. Okay, then I embedded my link, this link here. I embedded it into this text. You can see it's a clickable text, that's why the color is blue. Okay, so when they land over to this page, they'll enter the amount of gem, they'll enter the amount of gem they need. Okay, let me see, they need this, and they need this amount of gold. When they tap on generate now, to ask them for their username, and say their username is, just enter random username, like YouTube. They'll ask them the device they're using, if it's Android, iOS, PC. Let's go with PC. Then you want to tap on connect. You see how this work. Just have to wait and see it connecting. Okay, while this is still loading, I want you guys to comment your country below. Comment where you guys are coming from, country you are watching this video from, so I can keep posting content available in your country. And if you have any question you want to ask me, kindly drop the question in the comment section below. And also you can message me privately through my Instagram. Okay, my Instagram link is in the description of this video. Okay, if you can see, it wrote woman verification, please prove you're a woman. Okay, it's like they need to fill an offer out, but currently my location Nigeria, there is no offer available in my own country. As I showing this, so we'll look for a way to promote all this in Taiwan country, that's all those US, UK top countries. Okay, so you can get valuable leads. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys in some seconds. Okay, so let me clear this. So what I need now is the link here. I think this is very easy for you guys to do. You can come over to the website here, gamelive247.blogspot.com. You guys can check it out and see how I created it. It's just simple, no editing, no much thing to do. Okay, now come over to Facebook, or Facebook is the traffic source we're going to use. So I came over to Facebook, I searched for Clash Royale. I saw different kind of groups, about 12k members, 43k members, 33k members. You see that people are actually interested in this. So what we're going to do here is I want to create our own group. Okay, because some of this group now, if you post, they might block your link. Okay, and Some might even remove you if they see you are bringing people over to your own website. That's this. Okay, you can see that I'm not promoting my link, my CPA group link directly. I'm promoting this website. Okay, so Facebook can take the link down. So what you have to do here is you come over. Okay, let me go back. You create your own group. You tap on create new group. It's two ways. It's either I create new group or create page, but I prefer group because group is easier to control than page, and usually it usually take page down easily. Okay, so group name can give it clash. Let me give it a good name. Clash Royale um zone. Okay, then privacy, public, private, anyone. I prefer public so it can be well known. Then you tap on create. So what you have to do now is you need to get a picture here. So you can just go over to Google here and search for the game name. Okay, Clash Royale. Just search for it. Go over to the image section and just take a cool image. Okay, I prefer this. Just download it. Okay, save. Then go over to Facebook here. Okay, and let me see, edit, upload image. And try to open it. If you can see, I've added the image already, and also I just created a post just now. I just created a post just writing how many times a week do you play Clash Royale. Comment below, and I added an image. Okay, so as you can see, we really have one member, that's yourself. So to make this group get more members, what you have to do here is the post, you have to join other groups that is in your niche. Join Clash Royale groups. If it's weight loss you are on, join weight loss groups. Okay, so when you get approved, come back over to your group after creating post. Okay, don't post your link first. Try to build your group to get like 50 to 100 members first before you start posting links. Okay, so what you have to do here is you tap on share, then you see share to group, a group. So when you share to a group, you will see the list of group you are on. Okay, currently I am not on any Clash Royale group. Currently this is the Clash Royale group here. You just tap on it. Okay, when you tap on it, okay, the preview of your group will show. Let me just post it. You just tap on post, and let me see if I can get the post I just created. Okay, I'm unable to find the post, but it's already on the group already because I'm unable to find the group I actually posted it on. So what you can do again here is you will you join other groups. Okay, and be interacting with the group. When someone posts there, you can comment and also put your group link there. Say check out my group. So through that means people actually join. And you can see if you search for Clash Royale, your group is number 3 here. My group is number 3 here to show that I gave it a name that people are searching for. Okay, so through you, I'll be able to get more views. So try this out. Then after getting 5, 10, 50 to 100 members, you can start promoting your link there. Okay, your website link. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.